Hi guys, today I am reviewing and demoing the Pat McGrath Labs Divine Droid eyeshadow palette from the Star Wars series. I will be doing one video for each of the mini palettes, and I will be doing some swatches, and then I will do a tutorial on each of the two eyeshadow looks that I have today. And then I will summarize the video with my final thoughts on the palette. So keep watching and I hope you enjoy the video. I primed my eyelids with the Urban Decay primer potion, the eyeshadow primer potion in the original color. And then for eyebrows, I just used the Goof Proof brow pencil from Benefits Cosmetics in the color 3. And I just set it with the Benefits Cosmetics 24-hour brow setter gel. It's a clear gel. I wanted to use the primer potion today because I'm working with colorful colors, so the primer potion tends to bring out the colors a bit more. And then I'm just going to create for the first look a pink base with the Mothership Mega Celestial Nirvana palette, the color Venusian Peony. I just wanted to use a light matte color to create a base transition, so I'm using this on the Refa number 27 brush just to create a soft pink base. And colors blend so quickly and easily. I'm not packing on too much of the product because I just want to create a soft blend for the other colors to layer on top of. I just want to deepen up the outer crease, so I'm taking Violet Vixen on a small pointed brush and just placing that on the outer part of the crease and blending that softly towards the middle and downwards into this outer V here. I'm just taking a bit more of that pink on the previous brush, and I just want to blend out this edge of the purple, but I don't want to lose that soft pinky color. Okay, so I just cleaned off that brush with a Sigma switch and I added some of the Ultraviolet Messenger from the Divine Droid Pat McGrath Labs Star Wars palette. And I'm placing that in the outer corner Oh, it's a pretty color. And just blending it inwards. I'm just placing it on the lid. Oh, I love this color. It's a bit darker than I expected, but it's still beautiful. I'm taking Optic Fuchsia from the Divine Droid Star Wars palette from McGRATH. I'm just taking it on my finger and I'm placing it on the inner part of the lid and just dragging it over the purple color. Just trying to create that soft blend. I'm just using a small blender brush and just blending it out on the edge, and then I just want to blend it a bit here over the purple. I'm taking Secret Blueprint on a small spongy brush and placing that in the inner corner, and then I'm just slightly dragging it up, creating like a bit of a bow, and just bringing it to the inner part of the lower lash. And I just want to blend that into this color. I have a little bit of fallout that I cleaned off with a cotton pad, but not enough for me to be concerned when I do my face makeup first. I think it has little enough fallout to be able to do my face makeup first. For my lower lash line, I just want to add some of that Venusian peony just to this bottom of the eye. And just blend this color a bit. I'm not going to put the Star Wars palette eyeshadows on the lower lash. I find that it shiny colors at the bottom here tends to make my eyes look older. And I think I'm just going to add some of the Lunar Lavender from the Celestial Nirvana palette as a brow bone highlight. I'm using a flat fluffy brush and just placing that close to the brow bone. And pulling that through from the inside. And then just use that first brush to blend this pink into that lavender color. Okay, I think I'm gonna stop there for this look. I will be back with liner and lashes and my full face makeup to show you the final result. Okay, so there's the final look for the first eyeshadow. I just added some Wicked gel liner for the wing and topped that with the Sigma Wicked liquid liner pen, and then I added some of the gel pencil liner in the waterline and smoked that out with that Violet Vixen from the Celestial Nirvana palette. And then I just added some Maybelline Sky High mascara to the top lashes and bottom lashes, and then added some 3D cosplay eyelashes, half lashes that I found on Amazon. I'll add the link in the description box for those. I like the way it turned out. I think it's very pretty. So let me hop into the other eyeshadow look, and then when I'm done I'll come back and give you my thoughts about this eyeshadow palette. Okay, so for the base eyeshadow look. For the second look, I'm going to start off with Desert Divinity from the Mothership Mega Celestial Nirvana palette, and use that on a big fluffy brush just to create a soft base color. I wanted to do something a bit more neutral on this side. Just quickly and softly blend that out. And then with a small condensed brush, I just want to darken up this outer corner with Nightfall. I'm not going too dramatic with this side, I just want to create some dimension. I'm taking Bronze Circuit on a spongy brush and just placing that in the middle of the eyelid and blending it a bit to the inner side. It's a very sparkly color, this. Very pretty. Just a word of warning when using these shades, they are very soft, so you can very easily dent your eyeshadows if you press too hard. Then I'm flipping over the brush and I'm using Astro Lime on the other side and placing that in the inner corner and dragging it inwards on top of that bronze color. And a bit to this inner side of the lower lash. I'm just taking Cosmic Champagne from the Celestial Nirvana palette on a flat fluffy brush and using that as my brow bow highlight, placing it close to the brow, just dragging it along. And using that first fluffy brush just to blend out the edge here. For the lower lash line, I'm just taking Desert Divinity on a smaller fluffy brush and just blending that out under the eye and to the edge here. Okay, so I think I'm happy with the look. I'm going to do some eyeliner and eyelashes, just do some face makeup just to complete the look, and then I will be back with the final look. Here's the final look for the second eyeshadow look. I think it turned out stunning. The colors in this look is a bit more shimmery to me, so I actually like it more than I thought I would. What I did was I just added some of the Sigma gel liner as for the wing on the top of the lid, and then just layered that with a bit of the liquid pen just to darken up that gel line, and then I added the Sigma eyeliner pencil in the waterline and smoked that out with the Nightfall from the Celestial Nirvana palette, just to create an even blend there. And then for eyelashes, I added the Maybelline Sky High mascara and just topped it off with 3D Cosplay eyelashes that I found on Amazon. I'll put the link for those in the description box. And there we have it, the final look. What do you think? So there we go, looking all crazy with the two different eyes, but it actually looks kind of cool. Overall, the formula is not quite as shiny as I expected, because with the other mini palettes that she released before these, the Nude Allure and the Bronze Bliss that she released with the holiday set, I kind of feel like those palettes had a bit more of a shine to them. So I'm not disappointed, I just expected the shiny effect. Not that these aren't shiny, it just doesn't pack that much of a punch in my opinion. I do like the colors. I think this palette pairs very well with the Celestial Nirvana palette that she released over the holidays, because that one has all the colorful matte shades that pairs very well with these very beautiful shimmery shades. I have to say I'm very impressed with this lime green color. I like it a lot more than I thought I would. It's more of a gold with a green shift to it. Overall, I don't see this as a palette that I would use on its own because of all the different colors, and I think generally if you just throw a base color over the crease and pop one of these on the lid and smoke some eyeliner out, you can do a very quick easy look with these. So there we go. I hope you enjoyed the video. I will be releasing the other two palettes as soon as I can. I'm still waiting for the golden one, but I will do the Sith one so long and upload that one as soon as I can. I hope to see you in that one, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.